Prone press-ups are a back extension restoration exercise for a younger population that does not have spinal stenosis. Meaning if you have a disc injury and you're trying to mechanically mobilize that disc in your lumbar spine, you can perform this exercise. And so what you'll do, you'll come in the prone position, which means on your stomach, get your hands under your armpits, and at first you might try to come up on elbows. Then once you're there, breathe out, allowing your spine to sag, and then come back flat. The idea behind this movement is you want to go and restore full extension. So over time, each day, you want to go a little higher until you can come all the way up into lumbar extension, leaving your hips down on the bed. Breathe out, go back down. Come up, breathe out, go back down. And you'll perform 10 repetitions of that 2 to 3 times a day and try to help that disc injury heal as you mechanically move the contents of the disc back into where it needs to be. It'll take time, but with a continual commitment and persistence and mobility, you can restore extension back in your spine and avoid something more difficult. Also, something important to keep in mind is if you have spinal stenosis.